morning, students. Today we are going to have a case study on Python functions. Normally, can we say what is meant by function?
Sir, function means whenever we need, we can call it.
Now, what happens when we call the function?
Sir, it will run
The code inside the function will start.
Will get executed. Okay. Can you say what is the main purpose of this function?
To make it simple.
Reusable.
Reusable.
That is once when we want to have a code repeated for numerous number of times, instead of writing that post numerous number of times, we will be writing the code inside a function, and until the condition is satisfied, the function will get executed. Okay. Then what can you say? Can we say other uses of function?
Function.
That is in the work. Can you say what is meant Python programming?
Python is an upgraded version of Java.
Okay.
Make coding simpler and easier to understand.
Easier to understand.
It's user-friendly.
User-friendly manner. The moreover, the thing everyone goes for Python is when it consists of numerous number of
building functions.
Building functions. It has numerous number of building functions. So when we add a header file, header python.py, we can able to access numerous number of building functions. Okay, in this case, we are going to see about what is meant by Python functions. Or we are going to have a case study on Python function. Where can you say where does this function will be used? In Python function, where does function will be used?
Colleges.
Okay, can you say a real-time example?
So if we are building an application, we will be writing functions like function for login, function for register. If we write functions like those, while building an application, it will be more easier for the user to developer to implement it directly in their code.
Okay. Another thing is that we have predefined functions, or we have that is basically we have two types of functions. First one is your user-defined function, and we have a predefined function. The default thing basically go for Python function will be using numerous number of predefined functions. In that case, when we have predefined function, you can use numerous number of, that is the number of lines in our code will be very less when we are going to use predefined functions. Okay. Then can you say how we are going to define a function?
By using def keyword.
That we will be using the term called def keyword, def function name, and parameters will be there. Can we say what is the immutable and mutable?
Mutables are the thing which can be changed. The value can be changed. Immutables are mutables are which can be changed. Value can be changed. Immutables are the values which cannot be changed after defined.
Okay. That is can you for example you are going to have a list. You have a playlist. A playlist, you have a Spotify playlist. What is meant by Spotify playlist? It is we can able to change the position of the song, can be first or second. So it is a mutable. Mutable means you can able to change. Okay, you are going to stand in a queue. The queue is a fixed line. Can able to change the position of the thing? So it is called as immutable. So it is called as immutable. Okay. Then what happens when we have call by value and call by reference function? In call by value function, what does it happens?
Call by reference is in mutable.
What happens when we call a value? We are going to call the value from the variable name. That's by call by reference. What we are going to do? We are going to call by its address name. In that case, what is mutable? What is immutable? Call by value is here mutable, whereas
Call by reference is immutable.
call by value is immutable, whereas call by reference is mutable. In this case, you understand what is meant by mutable and immutable. Is it understood?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Next, what is meant by we have functions. Can you see any one predefined function? For example, when you take a queue, stack queue, we have predefined function called as pop and push. And what is meant by push?
We are pushing a value into the
Inserting a value.
In this queue. Whereas pop means we are going to remove the value in the list. This is what predefined functions which have been used in the Python program. Moreover, the thing the Python is that it can be adjustable and mutable to anything. We can able to have front end, we can able to have usages at back end, and it can be accessed over all the things. Moreover, the code when used in Python will be also accessible for AI also. Is it true?
Yes, sir.
In that case, can you say what is this? Can you see any predefined function used for AI? For example, pointing axis. For example, for this we will be using the Python program as points xy coordinates. Hence, this video consisting of your case study on Python function. Thank you.
Thank you.